Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is not only an evening of thanksgiving for the 35 years of our parish, it is also the beginning of the Christmas season, and tonight we'd like to resonate, or this hall would like to resonate with the spirit of Christmas through these wonderful selections that have been played for you. Of course, Christmas is also the season for giving, which makes this concert very timely instead. Not only are you enjoying a night of wonderful music, you are also helping the parish realize its goals to raise funds for several projects, and these include the weekly feeding program for the children attending catechism classes, then the provisioning of much-needed supplies for our parish's free medical and dental services, additional renovation and improvements of the parish church. And as Father Tim mentioned earlier, a portion of the concert's funds has already been donated for the continuing relief and rehabilitation efforts for the victims of Typhoon Yolanda. Once again, in the spirit of Christmas, we have come together as a community for a shared aspiration, making life a little better for others. And to set us, to get us into the Christmas spirit even more, we once again call on our guest soloist, the international tenor, Mr. Andrew Fernando. And a little more about Mr. Fernando. Mr. Fernando has won several prestigious international competitions, including the prestigious Lauren L. Zachary National Vocal Competition. He is a two-time winner of the Opera Buff Career Achievement Award and is the 2013 Aleo Awards winner for Best Classical Male Performer. He has performed major roles in full-length opera productions and was the principal artist in opera companies throughout the United States, throughout Europe, and also Asia. Musical America magazine has called him, and I quote, a major presence, while the Los Angeles Times has hailed him as the singer to watch. Ladies and gentlemen, to serenade us once more, this time with the songs of season, we have international Filipino baritone, Mr. Andrew Fernando.
Beyond the grace, a new a thrill of hope. The weary world rejoices, for your